How to use Claude AI in 2026. Complete Beginner's Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been hearing a lot about Claude AI lately and you have no idea where to start, this video is made for you. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to start using Claude AI from scratch, creating your account, navigating the interface, and actually getting the most out of it. This is your Complete Beginner's Guide for 2026. Let's get into it. What is Claude AI? First things first, what even is Claude? Claude is an AI assistant made by a company called Anthropic. Think of it like a super smart conversation partner that you can talk to, ask questions, get help with writing, brainstorm ideas, solve problems, analyze documents, write code, and so much more. It's one of the most capable AI assistants available right now, and the best part is you can start using it for free. Creating your account to get started, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Once you're there, click the Sign Up button. You have a few options. You can sign up using your Google account, your Apple account, or a regular email address. The quickest way is through Google or Apple since it skips extra verification steps. Just click your preferred option, follow the prompts, and your account will be ready in under a minute. No phone number needed. Navigating the interface. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main chat screen. It's clean and simple. There's a text box at the bottom where you type your messages, and the conversation appears above it. On the left side, you'll see your chat history, so every conversation you've had with Claude is saved there and easy to come back to. At the top, you may also see options to start a new chat or switch between different projects. Starting your first conversation now, let's actually use it. Click into the text box at the bottom and just type whatever you need help with. You can ask Claude a question, paste in some text you want summarized, ask it to write something for you, or just have a casual conversation. Claude is very good at understanding natural language, so you don't need to use any special commands or technical wording. Just talk to it like you'd talk to a person. Things you can do with Claude. Let me give you a quick idea of just how versatile Claude is. You can ask it to write emails, essays, cover letters, or social media captions. You can paste in a long article and ask it to summarize it in a few bullet points. You can give it a coding problem and it'll help you debug or write the code. You can brainstorm business ideas, plan a trip, get advice on a decision, practice for a job interview, or even just have it explain a complicated topic in simple terms. The use cases are honestly endless. Uploading files. Claude also lets you upload files directly into the chat. You can attach PDFs, Word documents, images, and more. So if you have a contract you want analyzed, a resume you want improved, or a spreadsheet you want help understanding, just click the attachment icon next to the text box, upload your file, and ask Claude whatever you need. It'll read through the document and respond based on its contents. Free plan vs Claude Pro. Now let's talk about plans real quick. The free version of Claude gives you access to solid AI capabilities with a daily usage limit. If you find yourself hitting that limit or you want access to Claude's most powerful models, you can upgrade to Claude Pro. Pro gives you higher usage limits, priority access during busy periods, and access to the most advanced version of Claude. For casual users, the free plan works just fine to start. Tips for getting the best results. Before I wrap up, here are 3 quick tips to get the most out of Claude. Number 1, be specific. The more detail you give Claude about what you want, the better its response will be. Instead of saying write me an email, say write me a professional email to my manager asking for a day off next Friday. Number 2, ask follow-up questions. If Claude's first response isn't quite right, just tell it what to adjust. It's a conversation, not a one-shot deal. Number 3, use it for everything. A lot of people only use AI for one thing. Try it across different areas of your life and work, and you'll quickly realize how much time it saves you. And that is your complete beginner's guide to using Claude AI in 2026. You now know how to sign up, navigate the platform, start conversations, upload files, and get the best results possible. Honestly, the best way to learn is just to start using it, so go give it a try after this video. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.